Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm attempting Brad Mondo's at-home haircut tutorial. Let's see how it goes. So step 1. I started by combing my hair into two sections. Then divided each section further from the apex of my head to behind the ears. Next, after I combed each section together, I tied a ponytail where I wanted to make the cut. I repeated this on all four sections. I made a blunder and had to do all the sections again. Now, time to cut the ends. I'll admit I did mess up a little behind the scenes, but don't worry, I fixed it. The key is to follow every step carefully to avoid mistakes. In the end, it turned out great and I'm loving the result. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.